Welcome to today's video about health benefits of cucumber. Have you ever wondered why the crunchy cucumber deserves a top spot on your plate? Well, get ready for a surprising journey into the world of these crunchy veggies. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 health benefits of cucumbers that might make you rethink their place on your plate. From keeping you hydrated on a hot day to giving your skin that extra glow, these green gems will become your new best friend. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on future videos. Now, let's get started. Cucumbers are popular long, lean, and green garden vegetables. Did you know that they're technically fruits? They belong to the same family as watermelons and pumpkins, but most people consider them veggies. Cucumbers are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are a great source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and vitamin K, which is vital for strong bones. Plus, they contain potassium, which is beneficial for heart health. One of the best things about cucumbers is their high water content, about 95 to 96%. This makes them fantastic for keeping you hydrated. Including cucumbers in your diet, especially with the skin on, can be delicious and nutritious. They help combat dehydration and provide a variety of important nutrients. Here are the unique benefits of cucumbers. Number 1. Hydration. Cucumbers are 96% water, aiding in hydration and preventing dehydration, especially during summers, when we tend to get dehydrated easily. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, as it helps regulate body temperature, maintain bodily functions, and support nutrient transport to cells. Staying hydrated also improves cognitive function, digestion, and joint lubrication. Adequate hydration supports cardiovascular health by maintaining blood volume and circulation, reducing the risk of heat-related illnesses, and promoting kidney function by waste removal through urine production. Adding cucumbers to your diet is an excellent way to stay hydrated. Number 2. Skincare. Are you tired of searching for the perfect skincare solution? Well, look no further, because cucumbers aren't just for salads, they're also your skin's best friend. Research by the Journal of Aging Research and Lifestyle has suggested that cucumbers' nutrients may provide benefits for skin health. Putting cucumber slices on your skin can help cool, soothe, and reduce swelling, which is good for skin health and soothing sunburns. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like vitamin C and caffeic acid that fight against harmful free radicals, helping to refresh your skin by reducing inflammation, keeping it hydrated, and boosting collagen production for a more youthful look. Moreover, cucumbers also have the mineral silica. The silica in cucumbers also helps strengthen connective tissues, making your skin firmer and more elastic. Number 3. Eye health. Applying cucumber slices to your eyes can work wonders. They're not just refreshing and hydrating, they also help reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which shield your eyes from damage caused by UV rays, pollution, and screens. Plus, these antioxidants promote collagen production, keeping your vision sharp and clear. And let's not forget about lutein, another gem found in cucumbers, which supports the health of your macula by blocking harmful blue light that can harm the cells in your retina. So, the next time your eyes need a little pick-me-up, reach for a cucumber slice and let it work its magic. Number 4. Bone health. Cucumbers are not only refreshing and hydrating, but also offer benefits for bone health. Yes, cucumbers are best for your bones because they have vitamin K, which helps your body absorb calcium and keeps your bones strong. Vitamin K is necessary for making a protein called osteocalcin, which is needed for building strong bones and preventing osteoporosis and fractures. Cucumbers also contain magnesium, which works alongside calcium to support bone health. It helps in bone formation and density, contributing to overall bone strength. Moreover, cucumbers also have silica, a mineral that assists in making collagen and further strengthens your bones, making them even more beneficial for maintaining good bone health. Number 5. Wound healing. Cucumbers offer multiple benefits for wound healing. They contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which help counteract harmful free radicals that can impede the healing process. Vitamin C, abundant in cucumbers, is essential for collagen synthesis, a protein crucial for repairing damaged skin and strengthening connective tissues. Additionally, cucumbers, being mostly water, maintain a moist environment around wounds, facilitating cell migration, preventing scab formation, and averting tissue dryness, thereby promoting faster healing. Furthermore, cucumbers possess anti-inflammatory properties attributed to compounds like flavonoids and tannins, which mitigate excessive inflammation at wound sites, allowing for more efficient healing. Studies also suggest the cucumber extract can aid in wound contraction, reducing wound size and facilitating closure. It's important to note that while cucumbers can aid in wound healing, they are not a replacement for medical treatment for serious wounds. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional for the appropriate care for your wound. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Did you know that cucumbers might have a secret weapon against cancer? It's true. According to an article in the International Journal of Health Services, cucumbers contain a substance called cucurbitacin. Now, what is cucurbitacin? Well, cucurbitacin is a substance that might stop cancer cells from growing and even make them die. Eating cucumbers regularly as part of a healthy diet could lower the chances of getting certain cancers like breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. Cucumbers also have phytonutrients that fight against free radicals, which can harm your cells and lead to cancer. The nutrients in cucumbers work to prevent cancer by reducing oxidative stress and shielding your DNA. This means they help keep your cells healthy and protect them from damage that could lead to cancer. So, adding cucumbers to your diet can be a simple way to lower your risk of developing cancer. Number 7. Cardiovascular health. Cucumbers are great for your heart because they contain potassium and magnesium, essential for maintaining a healthy heart and managing blood pressure. Potassium helps your heart function properly and keeps your blood pressure stable, while magnesium supports your muscles and nerves. By adding cucumbers to your diet, you can lower the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. So, next time you are looking for a healthy snack, grab a cucumber and give your heart some love. Number 8. Blood sugar regulation. Cucumbers are not just good for your heart, they're also helpful for managing blood sugar levels. These crisp veggies are important in regulating insulin release and stabilizing blood sugar levels. The fiber found in cucumbers is a key player here, as it slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This gradual release helps maintain steady blood sugar levels and prevents sudden spikes that can be problematic for people with diabetes. Cucumbers also contain compounds like cucurbitacin that could improve how sensitive cells are to insulin and how well they take in glucose, further aiding blood sugar regulation. So, adding cucumbers to your meals isn't just about adding a tasty crunch. It's also a smart move for keeping your blood sugar in check and staying healthy. Number 9. Weight loss. Cucumbers are beneficial for weight loss because they are low in calories and high in water content, helping you feel full and hydrated without adding excess calories. Research by the National Library of Medicine shows that increased hydration can lead to weight loss. By incorporating cucumbers into your meals, you can feel satisfied and better control your appetite. Cucumbers also provide essential nutrients like vitamins A and K, which support metabolism and energy levels, aiding in effective weight management. The fiber in cucumbers plays a crucial role in weight loss by slowing down digestion, prolonging the feeling of fullness, and assisting in reducing overall calorie intake. Including cucumbers in your diet not only helps with hydration and satiety, but also offers valuable nutrients and fiber to support your weight loss journey. Number 10. Digestive health. Did you know that cucumbers work like superheroes for your digestion? Well, get ready because we're about to uncover this incredible fact. Cucumbers are packed full of water and fiber, which help things move smoothly in your gut. The water hydrates you from the inside, while the fiber adds bulk to your stool, making digestion easier. Plus, fiber supports the growth of good bacteria in your gut, helping with nutrient absorption, reducing bloating, and preventing issues like constipation and diarrhea. Cucumbers come with special enzymes, like erepsin, that supercharges your body's ability to soak up all the good stuff from your food. So, the next time you snack on a cucumber, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving your tummy a big thumbs up. If you want to learn more about health benefits of cucumber, I've included links to reliable sources in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Conclusion. And that wraps up our talk about cucumbers. In this video, we've explored the numerous benefits of cucumbers, from hydration to digestive health and beyond. Cucumbers offer a wealth of advantages for your body. They're not just a tasty snack, they're like a little boost of goodness for your entire body. So, the next time you're munching on a cucumber, remember all the good you're doing for yourself. Each bite is like a step towards a healthier you. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of cucumbers, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep enjoying those cucumbers and stay well.